How the temperature settings work on your EdenPURE Classic Copper Plus. The heater offers 24 heat settings, ranging from 40 to 90 degrees Fahrenheit, with each setting increasing in 2-degree intervals. Each level will show a red or yellow light to indicate the half-level increments between temperature settings. To begin heating, please make sure your temperature is set at least 5 degrees higher than the current room temperature. Once the room reaches your selected temperature, the unit will automatically shut off the heating element and continue circulating air briefly. If you have any additional questions or need help adjusting your settings, please do not hesitate to reach out. We are always happy to assist. Warm regards.